Looking for the best iPad cases to protect your device and match your style? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload quality videos every day to help you discover the best products and make smarter buying decisions. Stick around and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. ProCase iPad 10th Generation Case. Look no further than ProCase's iPad covers if you want a solid dupe for Apple's own smart cover. ProCase has a lot of different designs, but its thin, hard, protective smart folio will be a great option for anyone that just wants a bit of extra protection for their tablet. Plus, it helps that it's compatible with all current iPad models and even a few old-school versions too. A minifinic, a thin layer of hard plastic encases your iPad while the front flap magnetically closes over the screen to protect it. And for iPad models that support the second-generation Apple Pencil, the case leaves a cutout on the edge where the stylus can sit when you're not using it. They may not be quite as substantial as OtterBox Symmetry cases, but ProCase's accessories make up for that in price. You can pick one up for as low as $13, and we've seen some go on sale for even less than that. Number 2. OtterBox Symmetry 360 Elite Series Case. OtterBox is an expert when it comes to protection, as seen with their phone cases, but its Symmetry Series 360 series shows that it has design chops too. Symmetry cases look similar to Apple's smart cover, but the clear scratch-resistant back is sturdy without adding a lot of weight to the iPad. Plus, the edge protection is substantial, so you won't have to worry about damage from the inevitable accidental bumps your tablet takes. The extra flap OtterBox added keeps the iPad screen cover closed and holds the second-generation Apple Pencil to the side of the iPad Pros. Symmetry Series 360 cases are available for most iPad models, and there's a new offshoot of the lineup called Symmetry Folio, which includes a dedicated sleeve for your Apple Pencil on the front cover. Number 3. OtterBox Defender Series Case. If you're not messing around with your iPad, look no further than OtterBox's Defender series of cases. The company has these rugged covers for tons of different devices, including a wide range of iPad generations and iPad mini cases, and Defender cases for iPads provide some of the best protection and functionality you could ask for. In addition to passing more than 24 shock, abrasion, and drop tests, Defender cases have a built-in screen protector and covers for the single port on all of the latest iPad models for extra durability. You can also detach the shield stand and use it to prop up your iPad for better viewing. It may be on the bulky side, especially compared to other cases on this list, but we think that's a fair trade-off for the extra protection. Number 4. Logitech Combo Touch Keyboard Case. Logitech is known for solid accessories, and the Combo Touch keyboard case is no exception. Think of it as a more versatile and more affordable alternative to the Magic Keyboard. The case wraps securely around your iPad and has a built-in kickstand that lets you adjust your viewing angle for whatever you're doing, be it typing, watching videos, sketching, or reading. The backlit keyboard is pretty spacious and includes a multi-touch trackpad for more precise on-screen control. There's also a spot for your Apple Pencil, so it'll be close at hand when you need to mark up a document, navigate apps, or doodle an idea in Apple Notes. It'll probably be harder to balance Logitech's kit on your lap than the Magic Keyboard, but that's a small price to pay for an otherwise stellar keyboard case. Number 5. Apple Magic Keyboard iPad Keyboard Case. It's hard to get much better than Apple's own Magic Keyboard if you want a case that will turn your tablet into an acceptable laptop replacement. iPad's magnetically attached to it, hovering above the keys and trackpad, while allowing you to angle it from 90 to 130 degrees to get the right viewing position. It feels surprisingly sturdy, and the keyboard itself is great to use for long periods of time. It doesn't have the same stability a standard laptop would if you're using it on your lap, but you won't feel like your setup will collapse at any moment either. The glass trackpad is another standout. It's wide enough for gestures and generally a breeze to use, even if it's noticeably smaller than one you'd get on a full-sized MacBook. If you want a cheaper, Yet Apple official alternative, you could consider Apple's Smart Keyboard Folio, which comes in at a more affordable $179.